Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In this lesson we want to look at conditional formatting, and we want to be able to choose a set of values and assign different color fills to them to highlight different conditions that or criteria that we've set out. So I've selected these cells over here. The shortcut again, Control Shift and the down arrow selects all the cells. And if we go to our styles grouping, conditional formatting, I can set up my own rule, or I can use the existing rules that have been set over here. If I go to highlight cell rules, I can have greater than, less, between, equal to. There are more rules as well. I'm going to choose greater than, and I'm going to say that everything that is higher than 40,000 gets filled with that color. I might decide that everything that is greater than, I might choose another color and say yellow, and everything that is 30,000. Okay, so there are various things that I can do. I can also go and manage my rules, and I can choose different colors and say, for example, over here, I might decide to edit the rule and say a cell value that is less than. I might make it, say, 20,000, and I might want that color. Click OK and apply, and there we go. And I might say, well, it's a bit dark, so edit the rule, format, and maybe choose something that's a little lighter, apply, there we go. Alright, I can also go, when I manage my rules, I can add a new rule, and I can say only format cells that have a specific text, data occurring, blanks, no blanks, errors, etc. I can do that. I could say greater or equal, less than equal to. So there are various things I can do in that regard as well. I might want to, as I said, edit the rule. I can duplicate the rule, or I can delete the rule as well. I might also want to, on my set of values, add an icon set. Different icon sets that I can choose. If I use that, then I can see anything below a certain value and above a certain value gets a certain amount, or should I say gets an up arrow or down arrow, or whatever it is that you choose that you want to use. I might also want to edit my icon set and go to manage rules. Here's my icon set, edit the rule, and I might say when a value is greater or equal to, and let's say 45,000. I should have made it number first. Let's go to 45, 1, 2, 3, and I might, and say I want to make this 20,000. Okay. Apply. Okay, and you can see how my icons changed. Right, so that's conditional formatting. The data bars that you can put in, the color scales that you can use. There's a variety of various things that you can do. You can also have the top and bottom rule, the top 10 items, top 10%. Again, you can change it to the bottom. You can say that 3, 2, 1, whatever it is that you want to choose. And again, you can also choose from this rule type over here. Then we might want to also go and format our letters that we got here, and we want to add a certain rule to that as well. Okay, so once again, we're going to go and choose our highlight rules, and then we're going to manage the rule. And we are going to choose highlight cell rules, and we're going to choose the text that contains option, and I'm going to say A, click OK, and then I'm going to go and manage my rules, and I want to add a new rule, and I'm going to say format that cells that contain. I'll click that rule type, specific text containing, and B for example, and I'm going to format that to a specific color. Click OK, and apply, and there we go. And if I want something on C, again I'm going to choose highlight cell rules, text that contains, and I'm going to make that C, and let's go with the green fill. Right, so, and if you want to manage the rules, there we go. You can add a new rule, and again you're going to choose format only cells that contain, format only cells with specific text containing, and we're going to say E in this instance, and we can choose another color and apply. Alright, good. Once again, pause the video, go back, watch, practice, and I'll see you next time.